Good morning, students. So till now we have discussed all the methods of solution of linear equations in two variables, that is graphical method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. We have discussed all those methods. Now we have to discuss some more things related to linear equations. Now we will discuss those linear equations which are not actually in the form of linear equation but reducible to the linear equation form. Let us start that. Chapter 3, Pairs of Linear Equations. In this section we shall discuss the solution of such pair of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitution. Now we explain this process through some examples. Let us start example number 1, which is solve the system of equations 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y is equal to 1 upon 6, 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 0, where x and y are non-zero, otherwise it may be not defined. See, this situation or this system of equations are not in the form of linear, but we need to convert them in the form of linear equations. How to convert? Let us start with this. Now put 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now when we put this, the situation will be like this. In first equation, when you put 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v, it will something like 2u plus 2 upon 3v is equal to 1 upon 6. And you take LCM, it gives you 6u plus 2v upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. Multiplied by 3, it gives you 6u plus 2v is equal to 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2, and multiplied by 2 both side, and it will be something like 12u plus 4v is equal to 1, which is equation number 1, which is in the form of linear. Now you can say in variables u and v. Now next equation, it was 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 0. When we put x 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v, it will be something like 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Now we will solve these two equations. To solve these equation, multiply equation 2 by 4 and make coefficients of u equal. See, coefficient of u, we need to make it as equal. How it is? 12u plus 4v is equal to 1 and 12u plus 8v is equal to 3. See, here we need to multiply second equation by 4 and then we will get this situation. When we solve this, we will get v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. When we have equal coefficient, we have to subtract these two equations. It gives us elimination of u. We are using elimination method here. Now put the value of v in equation number 1. It gives you 12u plus 4 into minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1, and it gives you 12u is equal to 2 and u is equal to 1 upon 6. Now we have got v is equal to minus 1 upon 4 and u is equal to 1 upon 6, and simply it gives you the values of x and y as 1 upon x is equal to u, that is 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6, that is x is equal to 6, and 1 upon y is equal to v, or 1 upon y is equal to minus 1 upon 4, that is y is equal to minus 6. So this is the solution of this system of equations which were not in the form of linear, but now we have reduced them and will get the value x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Now we will discuss one more example so that you can understand this situation better. Example number 2. Now we need to solve the system of equations 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4 and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now let us solve this situation. How to solve? Let us put 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. When we put these things in equation, it will gives us 10u plus 2v is equal to 4 and 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. These two equations are in the form of linear equations and we can solve them by any of the method, either by using elimination method, cross multiplication method. It is your choice. Now to solve it by elimination method again, multiply equation number 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2 to eliminate v, and we will get 50u plus 10v is equal to 20, 30u minus 10v is equal to minus 4. See, here the coefficients of v are same but of different sign, so we will add them, and whenever we add them it gives you 80u is equal to 20 minus 4, that is 16. Adding these equations gives us u is equal to 1 upon 5, that is 16 upon 80. And when we put the value of u in equation 2, it gives you v is equal to 1, and it gives us 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 5, which is u. Earlier it was our assumption. And 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1, which is v, our assumption. So it gives us x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. It is a pair of linear equation. You can solve again it by any of the method. Let us use elimination method. When we add them, it gives us elimination of y, and it gives you 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 3. When we put x is equal to 3 in any of the equation, suppose in equation 5, it will gives us 3 plus y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So solution of this system of equations is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So by this way you can solve lots of questions by the method of linear pair of equations. Any of the method you can use, but you have to reduce them first of all in the form of linear equation form. Thank you.